Hello everyone, today I will be reviewing Maison Francisco Urgence Aqua Universalis Cologne Forte. This is still an eau de parfum, which some people think it's not. The box is like this in comparison with the other line of Aqua Celestia Fortes, for example. Let's look at the bottle. The bottle looks like this. It has a plastic cap, for example, when we compare it to Aqua Celestia Cologne Forte. You can see that the caps are different. This one is solid metal and inside it is made of real stone. This one is chipped out from Urgence brand. They chipped out on the caps. I have got to call them on their what they are doing right now, which is not cool. I do not like the cheaper caps, but I don't mind it because I love the perfume itself. Let's spray it and see what will happen. I overspray this because I just love it so much. This is citrusy, musky, that classic Urgence powderiness. It has it. White florals for sure. White florals, a lot of it. But in the forefront, the heaviest top note here is the citrus. You get. It's a bit green too. Most of it is this bergamot. If you're a bergamot lover, you will love this perfume. It is just an amazing blend that Urgence has made. This is not a very popular perfume. I don't know why that people don't dislike the newer line of Francisco Urgence, because they say that it wasn't needed. The newer lines, we already had the Cologne, we already had the Fortes. I can understand it, but why not? It smells good. It smells amazing. This is primarily for the summertime. You can wear this all round. I can for sure wear this all round, all year long. A lot of lemony, flowery, musky perfume. It smells like this wash softener. Like you got this when you are fresh out of the shower. This is the first thing you want to spray on yourself. You will smell just cleaner. This is just the embodiment of this perfume. It's just cleanness. It's most probably the cleanest perfume I have ever smelled. You got the other ones too, the Universalis. This is the Universalis Cologne Forte, but you got the Vitae and the Celestia Cologne Forte, which are also very well. But this one takes the cake out of all of them. This is for men, for women, any age can wear this. Clean fabric softener. Price point for 70 ml is $160. I love it. I cannot complain. I cannot say anything bad about this perfume. This is just perfectly blended. This is a work of art, like most of Maison Francisco Urgence perfumes. But I am kind of in love with what he does as a perfumer, Francisco Urgence, so a little bit biased if you ask me for all his perfumes, although there are some I dislike. This is at the top of the list that I truly like because I own it. If you see me own a perfume, just know I really love it, because I will not buy a perfume I don't like or just mediocre like. Most of them I will like, or else I got it from a friend or it lended it out for me for a review, who knows. This is just an amazing perfume done by an amazing perfumer, Francisco Urgence, who is now at the helm of Christian Dior, the new perfumer from Christian Dior, since François Dimachi isn't anymore. He retired, François Dimachi. This is just an amazing perfume. Fall time and winter time you can wear this less, but personally a freshie like this can go the whole year long. This is for any age, any gender. Even if you are an attack helicopter as gender, you can still wear this. I hope you guys enjoyed the review. I will see you in the next one. Don't forget to like, comment and sub down below. I will be there to answer all your comments. See you in the next one. Ciao ciao.